I'm sharing, because this is very tough time, especially for the feminine energies. This is actually karma release period. I do not know how it started all of a sudden, and you will be getting an indication, a sign, symbol, anything, some sort of indication from the divine energy that certain people are throwing, black or dark energies. They have some malicious or jealousy kind of energy towards you. You will get the glimpse of those people, and it's very very important that you do a short kind of a very quick short meditation, where you are able to remove the cords, remove the negative threads that they have thrown towards you, burn them with the help of divine mother, whichever divine power you believe in. Burn those cords, seek forgiveness from those souls, because with their negativity, some or the other way we are getting impacted. And this can be also for the males, I mean the masculine people who are in there, who have got more of the feminine energies harbored in them, so they can also have the similar kind of experience. So once you will connect your energy with the divine, you tap in, and you will get to see the faces of those people who are throwing dark and all sorts of negative energies, whatever kind of negative energies. It can be jealousy, it can be insecurity, right? You need to release all those energies with the help of your divine power, I mean divine guidance, right? So I'm going to tell you a small uh, what to say, this is a small phrase kind of thing, or say not phrase exactly, a scripted word. These are not my words, but yes, I often I every day do it to release all sorts of negativity from that the people throw at me, right? I hope it will help for you all. So just a second, I'll be reading this out. Please make sure that you close your eyes and you do it. Fine. I call my power back to me from every person, place, situation, and entity, from every space, portal, time, dimension, attachment, connection, conversation, and vessel, where I left it. Anyone and anything that is attempting to chiffon my energy, you do not have my consent to use my vitality, and I call my power back to me. So, this is what you have to keep repeating in your mind, right? And apart from that, you also have to visualize those people